Minister this morning.
National Employment Center decree of 2009. NEC, that is.
I must just briefly tell you why we have decided to come out and meet the people around, mainly the workers around Fiji, this early part of the year. When I was introduced to the ministry, my brief was that most of our staff are corrupt, and that I had to clean out the ministry. After 3 months, approximately about 13 weeks of my observation, I realized that that notion of that our staff are corrupt is not really the correct notion. It is basically the missing information between the complainants and our staff's ability to deal with issues when they come up to complain. The period and the time taken for us to address issues by workers in Fiji, it's too long. Our processes is too wide. The workers in Fiji become very dissatisfied because they want some instant answer. Either you can or you can't, yes or no. At the very initial stage, that's what we need to do. The perception that our staff are corrupt is basically the perception from the public that we are not doing our work as efficiently as expected. And then the notion comes, oh, I have laid my complaint, it's now been 6 months to 12 months to 24 months. Your staff must be colluding with the employer because I am a small person. I am only an employee in a big company. So your staff must be taking side with the employer as a big company. He must be taking money because the company is paying him not to deal with my issues. What I have found that during the last 13 months, this is not really the case. No one is taking and pocketing money. It is basically our ability to be able to deal with issues. We need to deal with issues. We need to shorten our processes so that people, when you come out to the labor office, they said, this is my complaint, I want to do this. The population of Fiji needs to be told, no, you don't have that right. You cannot have that because it's not under the law. You have the right, or you have the right. These are the processes. It'll take us this period of time. We will process it and we'll come back to you in 3 weeks' time. That is the main gist of the problem that I see. The notion that on my brief initially given to me, I totally believe is not correct. It is basically our ability as employers and your representative in government to be able to deliver the service that is expected of us. So we're going around to try and shortcut those processes and systems and see the ways that we can assist. And I can tell you that within the short period of that I have been in the ministry, there are issues that have been outstanding for 2 years. I have dealt with it within 2 to 3 days, and I've dealt with it. So there is a way to deal with it. And I have told our executives, we need to be responsible ourselves to say this is our responsibility. We have to take ownership of the actions that we do to be able to satisfy the workers in Fiji. If we are not doing that work, then people have the right to ask, are we really the correct people to be holding this job? Are we really coming to work for 8 hours and producing what we are supposed to be producing? This is the crux of the matter. This is what we are trying to do. We are on a 2-week consultation in Viti Levu, and then we are going to Vanua Levu. We will finish that in 2 weeks. Hopefully we will deal with the Central Division. But I just want that openness to be created. You must say what you want to say. We will hear what you're saying. We will tell you that's possible or not possible within the law that covers the employment conditions in Fiji. Minak.